Hello guys, time to leave Slovakia, Bratislava. I will heading to Austria, Graz. But before that I will check the city Bratislava and see the road there. So let's go. Let's roll out. Leaving Bratislava, men först see the city with a motorcycle. See the center of Bratislava. Check it out. Here we are in the center of Bratislava. Now we are closing to the castle. Restaurant. Now maybe to go to the border of Slovakia and Austria and Hungary, the border when they cross. Let's check it out. Check when 3-country border crossing: Hungary, Slovakia and Austria. And then after that heading to Austria. Nice. Nice morning in Bratislava. Crossing the border of Hungary. The old border, now it's fading away. Border guard. So welcome to Hungary. No so long. The border should be here. The place there they cross. Here is the border cross between Hungary, Austria and Slovakia. Panda been here. See. Nice place. Time to leave it. Windy at the border of Hungary, Slovakia and Austria. Is heading to Austria. Nice place. Let's continue the journey. Hello guys, the wind is so strong here in Austria, so welcome to Austria, and let's enjoy the road here to Graz, I think, city called Graz. So let's check it out. The first village here. They have too much wind power plant, I think. Maybe the wind here is too strong. They have too much Dorf in the end of the village. Dorf, maybe village. Gottendorf. Dorf here, Dorf there. Long felt of windmill power plant, or what you call it. They have a lot of them in Austria. Really cute country, Austria. So and they have many farms. Many farms in Austria and small villages. Is instead it's difficult to pronounce, but nice town. The first big town in Austria. Homie boy. We have an African twin. We are coming closer to some mountain and curvy road in Austria. When I entered Austria, it was only farm and flat, straightforward road. Now maybe better nature with nice road. Curvy road. Nice, nice, nice.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice village. So it's Sunday. I forgot about Sunday, everything's closed. It's holiday, the church day. So maybe that's why everything look so dead. Maybe everybody is in the church praying. I am 2 hours to the hotel, driving the side country road in Austria. They are nice. The speed limit is between 50 to 100. Depend if you are close to a village, it will be 50 or 40, 30. But outside it's 100. Can be fast. Really nice. I am enjoying it. Here we have something to enjoy riding. It was a little bit short. Small town. Maybe they have something to stop and enjoy something, or everything is closed. Maybe here? Yeah. Something to eat. Something to eat here.
Hello guys, I stayed here for a long time at this cafe called. I took some break and eat a hamburger, and now continue the journey to Graz city. Let's go.
After a short break, maybe I need to fill the tank. I have 1 hour and 40-minute drive to the hotel, the city of Graz. Started to be cloudy. The temperature is 25. Best weather to drive. Maybe I will fill. Yeah, I have half tank. So I will find a gas station, fill the tank for safety reason. Even you never know. Beautiful side country road in Austria. Driving. So let's enjoy that. Yeah, I see this road is very good. Many motorcyclists. It's driving. this beautiful road. They have cows. I think it's some holiday. Yeah, it's holiday today. It's Sunday. Climbing up the mountain. Driving up the mountain, not climbing. Really beautiful. Remind me of the hill of Norway. Whoa, so nice. Now we're talking. Now we are down hills. Slippery here. It was nice to drive up the mountain. Up on the mountain, down on the mountain. Starting to happening. The road get better and better in Austria. I love the nature here, close to Graz. Really nice, really nice road. This city, it's like off-road arena. You are like driving off-road, the middle of town. Off-road. Driving off-road, middle of the town. Funny. I get taste of driving off-road. .1 hour to the city of Graz. Subaru Impreza STI. Good car. Sunflower farming and corn. Good. Well, Graz, the sign is here. The road 54 to the city of Graz. So Austria remind me about Norway. I think I will talk about Norway all the time. So Norway, it's breathtaking country with the mountain and the road and the waterfall and everything in between. So freedom when you're riding your motorcycle and beautiful weather and this nature. It's not to need to go fast. It's about the enjoying the moment, the nature, the beauty of the country you're riding in. I am 20 minutes from Graz, the city of Graz. Before it, I got this beautiful road to enjoy. Welcome, I am now in the city of Graz. Not in the city, I am outside of the city, entering the city. So "40 minutes to say thank you for today." Nice city center of Graz in Austria.
Hello guys and welcome. I arrived to the hotel, little bit tired, time to settle down, rest and continue the journey to Slovenia and Croatia and further out. So I hope you will like this journey. So let's continue the adventure. See you about 2 days. Ciao.